So, by then, like me say, it's too late. And now we have a situation where an icon has been murdered in a drive-by. The whole country and the world are mourning. It looks like, it's a big disgrace. But less than 24 hours after the man dead, everybody starts vlog that his son is the cause of him death, because his son is at 87. If that's not a sick society, I don't know what is.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great. Countryman, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Now, wanna see the screen, Tabby dread a dance before them kill him. And everybody knows him dead in a drive-by. But we really want to talk about a certain situation. And it's kinda mind-boggling about this situation and certain things and how me feel upon it. Let's go.
That get me crazy. You don't call there is someone from a soul. It's a big Mighty Diamonds, original. Still the best. See? Yeah. Now watch the face come there again. I'm facing the old time friend then. You there again. Yes, you there again. Now watch the face come there again.
Now, my wonderful people, look at the screen in front of you. You see the social media vloggers and even the Jamaican newspaper. Them I say, I'm son. But it really kind of marvels me that this man, him son, Tabby Diamond, him son picture, I come up, me have him son picture. Him son I do a bag of things in the community. And we didn't hear nothing about it until this man get killed. And then, when the man get killed, the whole of Jamaica is talking that his son is mixed up and this and that, and all the vloggers, them attack all the newspaper. To me, there is something fundamentally wrong with that. I mean, why wasn't his son apprehended or investigated? what is really going on in Jamaica? It just doesn't make sense. When you look at the vlogs and the people who will say, oh, his son is mixed up, which is true because so much people cannot tell lies. But my thing is, it's just kind of sickening and weird to see that right after I'm dead, not even 24 hours, them say, boy, I'm son. Now, with that said, we know how murder operates. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out. When you get killed, if somebody know you were there and send somebody. So somebody got a phone call where say, yeah, him father out there, and him father, whatnot. So, we all know when you get murder, your house broken up, you get robbed. 90. I'm not going to say 95, 99, I say 95%. So maybe 5% of the time it's random. So my question is again, is this them same son mix up? My youth son mix up Tabby Diamond. So Tabby now speak out in the community. I mean, not talk about the dead, though. I mean, not talk about him dead and gone. But I just say, all this, after I'm dead, why somebody never step up? Why the council of them, I mean, as the man dead, the whole of Jamaica and the world, vloggers from all over the world I talk about him, say I'm son. So it's like, it wasn't a secret. But it was a secret to me. So I just can't understand that sickening part of our society where everybody knows and then it's like shit have to happen bad before people, but by then it's too late. You understand? So by then, like me say, it's too late. And now we have a situation where an icon has been murdered in a drive-by. The whole country and the world are mourning. It look like, it's a big disgrace. But less than 24 hours after the man dead, everybody starts vlog that his son is the cause of him death. His son is at 87. If that's not a sick society, I don't know what is. Yo, my name is COUNTRYMAN. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. And very important. Very important. If you subscribe, leave a comment. I'm out. Really sick society. Peace.